This video walks you through how to manage equity compensation in Gusto. Begin by signing into your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to People. This is where you can access employee records and open the profile you need for this update. If your company has several employees listed, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct person before you continue. Next, select the employee whose equity compensation you want to manage. This opens that employee's profile where you can move between different sections related to payroll, benefits, and personal details. From there, open the Pay tab. The Pay tab is where compensation details are stored, including any additional earning types that may be tied to payroll. After the Pay tab is open, scroll down until you reach the Additional Earnings section. In that section, click Add. This is the area used when you need to include a compensation item that sits alongside the employee's standard pay setup. When the Add options appear, choose the appropriate equity compensation type if one is available in your account. Depending on your payroll setup, you may instead need to enter the required equity compensation details manually. Follow the fields shown on screen and make sure the information matches the compensation you intend to include. If your setup offers more than one earning type, select the one that aligns with the employee's equity compensation rather than a different additional earnings category. Once the information has been entered, review everything carefully before saving. Check that the compensation type, values, and any related details are correct. This review matters because the entry will be used in payroll, so it is worth pausing here to confirm that nothing is missing or placed in the wrong field. When you are satisfied that the information is accurate, click Save to apply the changes. Saving updates the employee's pay settings with the equity compensation entry you just added or edited. If the page refreshes or takes a moment to update, wait for the change to finish processing before moving to the next part. After the changes are saved, run payroll as you normally would. If the equity compensation is applicable for that payroll period, it will be included in the employee's pay based on the setup you just reviewed and saved. At this stage, you are following your usual payroll process with the added compensation now available as part of that run. Your employee's equity compensation is now updated in Gusto and ready to be included in payroll if